Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of portable air conditioners, bringing you our comprehensive list of the top 5 portable AC units of 2023. With scorching summers becoming the norm, staying cool and comfortable has never been more important. So, let's jump right in and explore these unique and innovative cooling solutions. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. NUMBER 5 Frostwave Blizzard Power-packed performance. Last but certainly not least, we have the Frostwave Blizzard, a portable air conditioner that offers exceptional cooling performance even in the hottest climates. The Frostwave Blizzard boasts a high cooling capacity that can swiftly lower the temperature in large rooms. Its dual cooling fans and advanced compressor technology ensure rapid and efficient cooling, providing an icy blast of relief during scorching summer days. Additionally, the Blizzard's energy-saving mode and programmable timer help optimize energy consumption, saving you both money and energy resources. If you need a portable AC that can handle extreme heat and deliver exceptional performance, the Frostwave Blizzard is the one to beat. Number 4. Chiltech Nova Versatile Cooling for Every Space. Our next topic is the Chiltech Nova, a portable air conditioner that stands out for its versatility and adaptability to various living spaces. The Chiltech Nova offers a unique 3-in-1 functionality, combining an air conditioner, a dehumidifier, and a fan all in one unit. Whether it's a hot summer day or a humid evening, the Nova has you covered. Its intelligent auto-sensing technology adjusts the cooling output based on the room's temperature and humidity levels, ensuring optimal comfort without any manual intervention. With its versatility and efficiency, the Chiltech Nova is a true all-rounder in the portable AC market. Number 3. EcoCooler Pro, the eco-friendly cooling solution. Our next contender, the EcoCooler Pro, not only provides effective cooling but also prioritizes environmental sustainability. The EcoCooler Pro harnesses the power of evaporative cooling, using a water-based cooling system that consumes significantly less energy than traditional air conditioners. By reducing energy consumption, the EcoCooler Pro helps lower your carbon footprint while keeping you cool. Furthermore, the EcoCooler Pro features a built-in air purifier that removes harmful particles, allergens, and odors, ensuring a clean and healthy living environment. If you're passionate about sustainability without compromising on comfort, the EcoCooler Pro is the perfect choice. Number 2. Arctic Flow Zephyr Powerful Cooling, Minimal Noise. Next up, we have the Arctic Flow Zephyr, a portable AC unit known for its powerful cooling capabilities and whisper-quiet operation. The Zephyr utilizes a unique turbine cooling system that delivers an impressive cooling capacity while minimizing noise production. With a noise level of only 40 decibels, you can enjoy a peaceful and cool environment without any disruptions. Additionally, the Zephyr boasts a sleek and compact design, making it perfect for small apartments, offices, or even dorm rooms. For those seeking powerful cooling without the disturbance of noise, the Arctic Flow Zephyr is a top choice. Number 1. BreezeBox X1, the future of portable cooling. Our first contender is the BreezeBox X1, a true game changer in portable air conditioning technology. Featuring a sleek design and cutting-edge features, the X1 offers unmatched cooling efficiency. One of the standout features of the X1 is its advanced smart control system. By connecting to your home Wi-Fi, you can remotely control the unit through an intuitive mobile app. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooled room, all thanks to the BreezeBox X1. The X1 also utilizes state-of-the-art air purification technology, ensuring clean and fresh air throughout your space. With its compact size and efficient cooling performance, the BreezeBox X1 earns a spot on our top 5 list. In conclusion, and there you have it, our comprehensive list of the top 5 portable air conditioners of 2023. From the futuristic BreezeBox X1 to the power-packed FrostWave Blizzard, these innovative cooling solutions are here to keep you cool and comfortable all summer long. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. As always, don't forget to check the description box below for more information and links to purchase these amazing portable air conditioners. Stay cool, everyone.